you weren't really gone that long because you finally found me. Okay, we are going to do our first Google Doc. How we're going to do this, I'm going to take you on another little scavenger hunt first. When you come to our home screen here, all of our big announcements are going to be posted right here. Over to the side, you'll see all of our assignments, but up on the top, we're in the stream, we're going to go to classwork. So click on classwork. We have all of our topics over here, and I'm going to tell you more about some of these topics in the next one. This one, though, I want you guys to go check out my website. I tried to do this in a way that you could understand, and that would be fun for you. So right here, I have a button, and this little button with the bookmark on it, isn't it cute? Okay, here's the button that is going to be for material. So anything that's of important relevance for you to learn. Are you going stir crazy? I am. I'm even making you guys a scavenger hunt with some weird videos. So click view material, and then I want you to click on my website. It's going to take you to this super awesome gift right here. And then you're going to go down and check out all of these different pages. Different pages I have are also listed on the side over here and going down the middle. Feel free to click through them, play with them. That's up to you. I've even got TikTok dances in here, guys. And this is a how-to. You want to learn Max and Ruby? Get yourself some Max and Ruby. You want to learn the spooky skeleton? I'm having some issues with that one myself, but you know, it's all right. It's all right. I got muscle like Superman. All right. After you check this out, go ahead and play with it a little bit. You're going to come back to your Google Classroom and, oh, how do I get out of this? I don't need this anymore. All I need to do is click over here to the left. Click classwork in the middle, and you guys have an assignment to do with a Google Doc to turn in. So the first one that you're going to do, oops, clicking away, 3/27, this is the date. Now this little button right here, yeah, he's the assignment button. And what they say is Google Classroom Scavenger Hunt, and it looks like I posted that on 3/27 because I put that there. And it's due on March 30th, but you're going to do it now. I click on there and click View Assignment. Turn it in. When I'm ready to submit all of my files for this assignment, remember to turn it in. Got it. I only have one assignment that's going to be turned in. Click it. It's going to open up its own fresh page that's just for you. No writing over anybody else's work. No worrying about creating your own documents. You're good to go. You literally just have to click on the line and type your name. Not really your name, type your real name. Then I can go over here and I can type in my section. I made up my own section because I'm Miss Adams. Then you're going to tell me and click on this line here. Go ahead and tell me what the different pages were on that Google site. Then I'm going to answer which page was more interesting and why, and I'm going to click inside this box here and you're going to tell me. The page most interesting to me was the TikTok dance how-tos because I need some serious help with my dance skills. Okay, you type it in, and then when you're done, you come over here and you click turn in. It submits the assignment to me, and there's nothing else you have to do. If there's a comment you need to add, go for it. But this one attachment, once you click turn in, turns it into me, and then I'm ready to grade it. Audrey did a beautiful job. She's probably going to get a 100 just like you. After this video, you're going to click on the next link. So go back to our classwork. Okay, I got it. I got it. Go back to my classwork, and on the scavenger hunt, there's going to be another little piece over here. Dun, 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 dun. It's an Ed puzzle, and I'm going to show you how we get to Ed puzzle. Have fun.